Happy Monday, traders. So one of the members asked me why weekly pivot is more significant than a daily pivot. It's not so much of just a pivot level. As you can see, current weekly level is 3,600, coincide with a lot of interactions. Therefore, use that to your advantage as conferences. Don't just blindly use the pivot level. Daily pivot in this case on IG, the reason why I said the Monday one is a bit funny. Let me show you. You can see that little one over here. Let me just clean up all the drawing. This little pivot here is a Sunday one, which is based on the movement on Friday, which is the true pivot level for Monday. But because IG opened yesterday, they put a Sunday one, and today is a Monday one. So it's not as relevant. So the actual pivot is actually here. But when the daily pivot is not coincide with so much of our interaction, this is less significant. Therefore, now I'm just going to go back up to the weekly pivot. The weekly pivot is, you can see, much clearer, a lot of interaction. Therefore, I'm expecting whether it will be today or tomorrow, a pullback to around this area. Then I'll take it long, but dropping down to a minute to look for a double bottom and volume to confirm. Another conferences that you may want to use is NASDAQ. Look at that. That in here, you can see the weekly pivot is in a supply and demand zone as well. Therefore, the weekly pivot is much more relevant. If you do have any question, let me know. Thank you.